Hello, this is Stefano. I'm testing a shot from an MC Leva after an extensively full rebuild. Let's check this shot out. I have always the tendency to grind over fine, so the machine gets a little stressed during my testing, and in fact it might be a little too fine, but let's wait to see for the result. Yeah, it's a little over extract, no doubt. The half an hour shot. I suppose this can be an example of an over extraction. It was over temp and potentially grind a little too fine. So let's wait for the shot to be done and we'll experiment with another or two more. We are just patiently waiting for the lever to go back to resting position, which still has a while to go. I appreciate how smooth it is, the lever, even when you are over tamping and grinding extremely fine. We are almost there. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next shot. Stand by. I think I'm doing differently on this shot is that I didn't tamp as much. I did not change my grind or my grinder, of course. Let's see. Yeah. Again, this is finer than it should be, but you can see already that because of the less tamping, it's trying to come out a little bit faster and not as much over extracted. Starts to look a little better. Okay, stand by. We're gonna go a little coarser with the next shot. Example number 3. I appreciate the crema already on this shot, and also keep in mind that I'm putting the shot in a plastic cup, which of course it doesn't have as much of a heat retention like a ceramic one or even a shot glass one. Yeah, not bad. I would say shot number 3 is a keeper, and I suppose this was one of the examples you should expect of difference between shots from an MC Leva machine, I mean for that matter any espresso machine, but playing with variables such as grind, of course the tamping, and of course most important than all, start with a fresh coffee beans. Thank you for watching.